Hello, my second grade math class. It's Miss Martin here today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use MathGames.com, which we had set up an account last class, if you guys remember. So you should already be logged in. You're going to go to www.mathgames.com, and then you're going to click enter. And it should be this first one right here that pops up. You're going to click on that. Now you should already be logged in. If not, you're gonna go ahead and log in, and it should show you your first and last name in the top right corner if you are logged in. So you're gonna click on that. Once you click on your first and last name, it's gonna bring you to your profile right here. It's gonna tell you what grade you are in, your first and last name up here, and right next to it, it's gonna show you how many stars you've earned for the day. Now to earn stars, you're gonna complete skills and standards that I assign to you. So when I assign you a skill, you're gonna click over here where it says view all. And then it's gonna show you all the different skills, and whatever number I assign, you're gonna look for on the left side of the skill. So if I were to say, guys, we're gonna work on 2.54, you're gonna go ahead and find that, and that's right here next to addition, adding two-digit numbers. So you're gonna click on that skill, and then it's gonna bring you right here, and you're gonna go ahead and click start. Now down here, it's gonna tell you what level and how many stars you've earned for that skill. And right here, it's gonna tell you whether you got the answer correct or wrong. So let's go ahead and click start on there. Now guys, we have learned last class how to add two-digit numbers. So this should be somewhat familiar for you guys, but just for now, we're gonna put in the wrong answer. We're gonna say 10 for now, just so I can show you what happens when you get an answer wrong. So you're gonna click answer. Now it's gonna tell you what you answered right here, and then the correct answer right here. And then over to the left, it's gonna show you a YouTube video on how to solve the question. Now, guys, if you ever miss a question wrong, don't worry, that is totally okay. This is so you guys can practice your skills and get better. So if you do need help on a question and you keep getting it wrong, if I'm not available to help you, this YouTube video will be great for showing you how to do it. So you'll watch that video, and once you're done watching the video, you're gonna click next question, and it'll bring you to the next question, and you're just gonna go ahead and answer them. Now, once you've answered your questions, it should pop up down here whether you got them wrong or whether you got them right. You're gonna go ahead and click your answer. When you get it right, you get a good job, and it marks it down there. Once you are done with the skill, it should show you how many stars you've earned on your skill. And if you're not happy with your score, that is okay, guys. You are more than welcome to go ahead and click replay, and it will give you similar questions so that you can practice that skill some more. But if you're happy with your score, you're gonna go ahead and click try the next level and continue to work on all these skills that I assign you. Now, if you want to go back to your profile and you're done doing your activities and skills, you're gonna click on your name up here in the top right corner, and it's gonna take you directly to your profile right here. Now it's gonna show you under latest progress, it's gonna show you what skills you were working on, what level they are, how many attempts, not your score right here, how much you got correct, your time, and when the last time you accessed it. So if you want to go back into the skill you were working on previously, you're just going to click the most recent one that you worked on, and it says this one was played a minute ago, so I would go ahead and click on that, guys. And up here, it's gonna tell you how many skills you've completed out of how many there are right up here, and then it's going to tell you how many stars you earned for the day. Now if you scroll down some more, you're going to see your activity, and that is going to show you all the time what it constantly is. So right here it says I have 4 stars achieved, 20 answered, time, and how much I got correct on here. If you scroll back up on the left hand side, you're gonna see 3 drop down menus right here. Don't worry about these ones in yellow, we'll talk about that later on. But if you ever wanna see how you're doing, you're gonna click on your progress, and it's gonna show you stars, skills, attempts, time, and percentage. And if you wanna see where you're at with your stars, you're gonna click on Starboard. And since we were practicing our addition, it'll have that up there for you. Then you're gonna go back to your home screen right here, and that's gonna bring you back to profile. Another thing I wanted to show you guys lastly is up here you're gonna see a drop down menu that says games with a little controller. Right here you're gonna click on MathGames, and it's gonna bring you to all these different math games that you can play. But guys, we are not gonna be playing the games while in class. That is going to be for our skills. Unless Miss Martin says to play one of these games, I will let you guys know. But this is for you to play when you're at home and you're done with all your homework and math skills. You can go ahead and take a quick brain break and play some games over here. And the ones that have stars next to them are ones you can earn stars on. Alrighty, second grade, that concludes our podcast for today on how to use MathGames.com, and I hope you guys find this very useful and something fun to do outside of class that is still learning. And I will see you guys next time in class. Bye everyone!